So hello friends. Okay, I wanted to take my first trade. Okay, I just took my first trade with the sellers right here, and the reason is very simple. So we have this resistance area. This whole area right here is a resistance. As you can see, the market is touching this point and rejecting, so I'm expecting a rejection right here. We also have this demand area, supply area. I've labeled it with a horizontal line. So let's see how the trade closes. Okay, that was a win. So as you can see, I've labeled our supply area with a horizontal line, this area right here. So once the price got to my entry, I took a trade with the sellers, and that was a win. So if you are new to this channel, we take live trades and I explain each and every single one of them. I explain the strategies I use, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's look for more opportunities. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Okay, I'm waiting for the market to get to my horizontal line so that I can enter a trade. There we go. Okay, so I took a trade with the buyers exactly at the horizontal line, and as we can see, we are in a very strong zone right here. So this was previously a resistance area, it's turned to a support area. So I drew a line exactly at this demand area right here. So once the market got to that point, I took a trade. So I'm expecting a strong green candle right here. So let's see how this trade closes. Okay, looks like we are going to lose this one. It's fine. Okay, let's see how it closes. Yeah, we lost that one. So I think we lost because of this double top. This double top right here. As you can see, the market has created a double top. That is a sign of reversal. So we had not broken this neckline yet, so that is why I thought this was going to work. So I thought it was going to reject, then break that neckline, but unfortunately it just kept going down. So make sure you're very careful. So that was a loss. Let's look for another opportunity. Okay, I'm waiting for this market right here. It looks like we are going to get an entry. Looks like we are going to get an entry. So the market came to this resistance right here. Okay, there we go. So I took a trade with the sellers exactly at the supply area. So this is a good one. Yeah, that's the rejection I was looking for. So this is a very good one. And I want the trade to close so that I can explain why I took this trade. Yeah, that was a win. So as you can see, previously we were moving in a downtrend. So this is a very strong downtrend. Right here we had a support area, rejected quite nicely. It was broken. The market came back up, so then broke it again. And if you look right here, we can also consider these 2 points right here, these 2 points, as a double top. So this is the pattern that caused us to lose the previous trade. So we broke the neckline right here. So this was our neckline. We broke it, created this supply area, and once the market came back to the supply area, as you can see, it's pushing down nicely. So let's look for another opportunity. Okay, I took a trade with the sellers right here. I'm expecting a red candle. So I didn't take the trade on the previous candle because it got to my horizontal line with very little time left until expiry. So if you've made it this far, make sure to subscribe make sure to leave a like and a comment. And also we have a mentorship, so if that's something you're interested in, you can contact me directly through Telegram. I leave the link in the description. So let's see how this one closes. We also have this trend line, so this is a good one. So we have this trend line, and the reason I entered after that is because we have this huge candle. So this is a sign of exhaustion, and it's a sign that, okay, that was a win. It's a sign that the buyers are exhausted and they want to get to this area. Remember that demand and supplies are zones, not just the lines. So they wanted to get to this supply area right here, which is a seller's area, so that the sellers can enter into the trade. We also have this horizontal line. The market closed exactly on the horizontal line, so I took advantage of that. So that is it for today, guys. Make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and check out our Telegram. Bye.